Hello, my name is Ashley. Today I'm going to prepare you very delicious mortadella. You can call pate, you can call mortadella, but it's a mortadella. Alright, what we need is, it's a chicken ground beef, chicken ground. What it is this is a leg meat that I got, and then I grind it. It's about 2 pounds, maybe it's about 3 pounds. Well, it doesn't matter, however much do you want, it's fine. I'm gonna make this for a little party, so I decided to show you how. So what we need for this, a little bit seasoning, red chili pepper, it as you please. We need a little salt. Again, the salt it depends how your mouth will taste. About a teaspoon something, and black pepper. And as a seasoning, what do we need besides salt and pepper? We need chopped garlic. I chopped garlic, which is about 5 seeds, about that much, which it needs very, very much. You can put as much as you want, so it will give very delicious taste. It's like you can smash it about 1 head of garlic. So this is what we need for now, and we're gonna mix it. When you buy cold cuts, this is what it is. It's mortadella, chicken mortadella. The leg meat sometimes has, not sometimes, it has a little bit fat in it, which is good. But you can do this with the ground beef. You can do with the turkey, whatever do you want. So now, we mix the seasoning together. Now what we need is, we need the plastic nylon to put it here. And what we are going to do is, we're going to put the meat on the plastic nylon. We're going to open it. We're going to put this like this, making flat, and make it kind of squarish. What we have to do is, we're gonna stuff in it. There you go. Now when you open it like this, what we need is, we're gonna put a little bit pine nuts. It will be very, very delicious, good taste will give. If you don't have it, it's okay, but this is what you need for this mortadella. Then over here I have a little steamed rice, like it's a half a carrot, 1 carrot. It's kind of steamed. So what you do is, you put it like this, away from each other. There you go. And we need a little spinach to spread. There you go. And what we need whole garlic. So when you slice your mortadella, you see slices. So is the pine nut. It will look beautiful and it will give very good taste. So now what we have to do is, we're gonna roll this just like this. You just hold the plastic and you go over, and then pull it a little bit more, and just like this. There you go. And twist this. Now, in case, what we have to do now, we're gonna, over here, we have oil, which is like a half a cup. It's not gonna be like full frying in the oil, just to make it red. That's what we have to do. So before that, we're gonna cut 2 eggs. We're gonna need only the yolk. I'm sorry. We need the white one. We need the white part of the egg. We put the yolk here. Let's put here whichever, whatever. Here we go. There. We separate the yolk. Now for you, if it's gonna be too hard, what you have to do is you can keep it in refrigerator so it gets a little bit harder for you. If you can do it, you just have to open it back. Just like this. Just beat a little bit the egg, not so much, just like a little bit to loosen from each other. Like kind of to be separating when you hold. You will hold in your hands, but it looks pretty soft a little bit. Usually I keep that in refrigerator. So what you do is you just rub the egg, just like this. You make sure that you rubbed it very, very well. What it does, the egg, it will hold the chicken together. Just like this. And then we have the oil over here, which I put it on a fire very, very low. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is, like I said, roll it and keep it in refrigerator so it will be harder, or you can make it a little bit smaller to make it easier for you. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna put this in the oil. We're just gonna let it get red for now. Just be careful that you don't break. Finally, I opened it the bottom. I'm gonna take the spoon just to help the meat when I turn it, so it will be some oil on it and it will be like a little bit cooked. When you put the egg on it, the egg will hold the meat together. Okay, while this one is getting redder, I want to show you here. Next, what you do is you put some water. This is about 6 cups of water it is. In the water, we have to put every 3 cups, we have to put 2 cups of vinegar. I measured it, I put it here, so you'll see it. 2 cups of vinegar, and it has to boil. And we're gonna put a little bit salt in it. There you go. After the chicken is done, we're gonna put it and we're gonna cook about half hour, 30 to 35 minutes. Now that you see we browned it, the chicken, and then we put it into the water, like I said, 6 cups of water and 2 cups, every 3 cups, 1 cup of vinegar with a little salt. I put in it. Now it's gonna boil, cook about 30 to 35 minutes. All right, now the meat is ready. It cooked from 30-35 minutes. You can keep it almost like 40 minutes, fine. There you go. Now we're gonna just cut it and we wanna see how it's gonna look. You have to keep it a little bit too cold, but usually you eat cold this. When you put it in a refrigerator, just like Mortadella, you buy it, you'll eat cold. So we're gonna slice it. Let's cut a little bit bigger here so we can come in the middle. It's pretty hot. Look at how beautiful it looks. And this is the way You have to present your guests. You can cut it an angle like this, or you can cut it straight. Still, it's too hot. You have to let it stay cold, cooler a little bit. And then you'll slice it, and it should stay exactly like this. And the taste, it will be very delicious. So, this is the way you put in a platter, beautiful, with some little, vegetables or whatever you like. And this is the way it's mortadella. You can put the stuffing more, you can put less, but this is the way you will do it. Do not forget the carrot has to be a little bit steamed before, and then you will cook it 35 minutes to maximum 40. All right, well, thank you for watching, and if you like it, please subscribe my channel, and I thank you a lot. Bye-bye. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this channel. I want to thank to all my patrons on patreon.com for their support to make my channel possible. Thank you.